Hey, this is Sean, Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Sean Cole Enterprises, and we just got off the corporate live for Royalty and their new pricing breakdown and how everything is going to work. First, I want to touch on some big announcements that were made. We have a new gym that's going to be launching where they're going to allow you to trade in your old gym for your new gym for free. So that's good. They'll be launching in January. We'll have new capabilities. Now you're just not going to be restricted to a 40 character message and a link for your ads. Now you'll be able to use over 40 characters in your message, a high definition picture for your ad. The messages are going to be a lot larger than just showing up in your notification bar. So that's powerful. We soon will be having video ad capabilities. They're coming soon. And that's real big news. Also, it basically breaks down to that we're buying ad impressions from our partners, partner apps, Facebook, Instagram, Yahoo, CNN, Forbes, and so on and so forth. Now, as far as touching on these price increases, activation fees, shipping fees are staying the same. 100-meter gym is going for $25 to $29 a month. And when you had additional gyms, it was additional $12. That's now going up to $18 additional. And similar price increase for the 400-meter gym. It's going from $35 to $37,000. It's going from $45 to $52 a month. Not real big price increases, but it is a price increase, and I'm kind of happy about that because those increases are not as big as I assumed they would be, considering the value that we're getting with this new technology. I'm going to touch on the advertising results guarantee that we're now giving. Basic plans. Say if you have the NF gym, which is a basic 100-meter gym, get 500 impressions a month, minimum impressions per month. We're guaranteeing minimum impressions, by the way. The BF gym is guaranteeing a minimum of 2,000, and the GF gym is guaranteeing a minimum of 5,000 impressions a month. But now also they have a additional package, whereas you can buy an additional 1,000 ad impressions for just $6, and that's a big deal because anybody that has a business and has ventured into purchasing ads on Facebook, $5-6 does not get you far. Once you break it down, especially like what we're talking about touching people locally in your vicinity, and for $6, man, you might reach as low as 30-40 people. We're selling you a package where you could get 1,000 additional impressions for $6. Compared to, like I said, Facebook pricing, to reach 1,000 people on Facebook will run you roughly around $10. That's not even talking locally. We're talking about a broad blast where we're talking about reaching people locally that can do business with you. If you're looking to come over and say you have a business of your own, and you're looking to still be able to run your business and keep your clients, there have been changes to our comp plan. Basically, they've eliminated the free gym program, where before, if you had $100 of value, your gyms were free. They've eliminated that, but they've replaced it with 2 new levels in our comp plan, which kind of canceled that out, and actually is probably a little bit more profitable for you in the long run. They added $100 volume, so once you get $100 worth of sales volume, you receive a $100 bonus for that month. And they also added a $200 level, whereas once you reach that $200 level, you get an extra $50 a month. So that's a big deal. That cancels out having to pay for your gyms, individually. The count balances out, and in some cases, it'll probably put a little extra money in your pocket. Besides that, everything else is staying the same. The only thing that does not stay the same are the upgrades that we are making, which is huge. We're now reaching every phone. Our phones, that was always a big deal. We're reaching them. You're getting bigger ads now on these apps with these impressions. You're going to reach a lot more people. You're not limited to a 40-character message anymore and a link. Now you can put more characters in, nice high-def pictures. We have video capability coming soon, which is huge. Very big news. I suggest you get in now and get grandfathered in under the $25 a month program just to get started. You know, like I said, well, let's say this, you get in for as low as $25 to get started. And then, you know, the price increases incrementally from there on. And get in before the price jump. Save yourself some money. Get your clients set up. If you run a business, switch them over. Come on over to Royaltie if you're looking for a solution to this new Nearby shutting down in December. You're looking for a solution. Royaltie is a cost-effective solution for that for you. Still be able to keep money in your pocket, keep your customers happy, build yourself a base, and in the long run make more money and have something that works. Because beacons are about making money. That's basically what it comes down to. You know, beacons aren't. We're a money-making company. We're a technology company. You know, we're not a social network company. We're not here to socialize people. We're not here to have people try to convince people to put ads on their phone. We're reaching them where they're already at with apps that are already on their phone. We're not trying to convince people to download our app on their phone because, you know, that's not going to work. We are going to reach them where we already at. We had to spend a little bit of money to do that. That's fine. We'll do that for our customers and client base. And see you on the other side, man. Get with me. Get signed up. I can help you do that. Reach out to me, inbox. Reach me on my personal line, 410-929-3390. You can catch me on YouTube, Sean Cole Enterprises. And I'll be looking forward to hear from you, and I'll be glad to get you set up. Get in before the month is over, and you'll be paying these high rates. I suggest you get in now. Have a great day. I'll be talking to you soon. Thank you.